biti lo asibiti kala batakata tamu lo asibiti ikan bi pin pa pin ujawo owo yen na kan na waju fun mo gangan ewo na wa wo kanga na uju wa gangan tade ti ji ke wo yen ga susu more gawo ba goto ogun yin paracetamol gawo yen wo yen ti san ogun dun yin kapuso o da ti ke gbogiti go yen lo ba dokito batan na gidi kan ni na wa je jiga jitu
lafiya magafu jama'a je chile ameke shi tupa ibe na yinan na ya labiyaye kemidena ena wanchuko na jide gikine atita cha a ce ga Mainstream Foundation be gwafiyan Race Foundation ke bagani be gwafiyan asibiti wanchuko na cibido a ce ga FMC na ala taimako laya jamaji bagi to yin zagi zakan gi to nusa e jinin ya bidona na made taimako na da ala jamaji na mun ga izana jide ga de batan yana ke ba gani bai zane shi daga da batan daji ko ebe ko mai kafana a ci gaga tsari anye jamaji ko laruba fe na ito afogutun nye tuwatun ayici nye ya 2024 na nga tsari a chatun da na egun shi ba dai na igan town hall ci ji ni ya bidona town hall o de laruba bai alamin yi dai na ya tuwafogutun bai tuwafogutun ayi nye 20 June ya 2024 dai na ifi ba kubona a ci gaga tsari manya asibiti ji ayyukan a ci fecin jama'a jile eye zai shiga da batan eye na be zai shiga gwayin a lotun yan batan eye da na ga cataract ya na leo a ci tsaza shi na shi da lotun ya na tuti za shi tona a ke la glasi eye ya jama'a ji e ba a de ba wo mai katun ba be katun kai na tun za kpako be shi tun cha tuna a ci gaga be ma ke la ci be eye ya zando ci ji na za wuci ji unjin ba ile ala ya maje tugwa ya lo ya cigbe ta ala ayo na ye za wuci ke ji za kpo babe to larba be alamin yi a cige za wuci da bidabo tan hall bo kan ga ganci jumma na yi ya tsafo gutwa ba bi asibi na yi tsafo gutwa ta na za ne ja ta ji ja ci lotun ya na a ci kwalo FMC ganci a ci lo tun ya de kai lalle ga wa ma be Mainstream Foundation ji ga wa ma be Race Foundation ji ga wa ma be asibiti wanci ko FMC na cibidona e bona zane ja tuti za shi tuna aga jalo e tun yana ga cataract na yo yinan na zando ci la tukun laba gwabi amma e bo e tuna lo yuna wa tukun cheya wunto da zan lo mi zando ci ala gwala sun bi amma e tuna lo yu lokaci so kuma dabe na hakika a so da zan lo mi to zane ja ji mi macile da en baten daji be kafe yana a tsoke tu saka ni za kpako be to yegi wa gina shi da alaci be shi aka kai eti batan ego na be kemna ji gugun e kaji jimma be asibi ne tsafa gutwa be tsafa gutwa te ya sai shi da alate mako ya efia ago ko kobo be ya na dona sai lameti karai be shiri da ya labiya yayin nan
I see this guy as our guest, but they are really not our guest because this is not their first time. But like it's always said, every journey starts with a single step. If you ask me how many times Mainstream has been with us, I will tell you I've lost the calculation because they've been with us severally. But this time around, this one is special because with every visit, there's always an improvement to what has been done in the past. I've also noted in the past that the group are not noisemakers. They don't like involving the media to know what they are doing. But we felt it's always good, let people know what we are doing. Others may want to copy from us. Others whom we might classify as beneficiaries who are not aware of what has been done previously. Such provide opportunities for them to know what we are doing. Sir, you're welcome.
Thank you. As we were walking from the ENT section to up to here, I was waiting to see a single newspaper or a single waste paper or a used can or anything dirty in the hospital. I have not seen it. Honestly, I told them that I am absolutely impressed with the cleanliness here. You guys are doing a great job. And this is a hospital, you come in, you don't feel any odor, any smell, any bad or foul smell, not here. Doctor, you are doing a very good job. And for all your supporting staff, for keeping the place neat. We appreciate you most sincerely. We appreciate your management staff for the good work we are doing here, for the cleanliness, and for the open hand with which you have always received us. I went to where Race Foundation is doing their job. Everybody was happy. There are a lot of women there, but you could see the atmosphere. We are very happy. There are hospitals where you go.
This time around, there will be no going back as far as publicity is concerned. Whether they praise us or they condemn us, we know we are doing our best and will continue to do our best. I'm sure some of our management staffs are not aware of the contribution of mainstream to the hospital in the past. I think sometimes last year we received a brand new operating microscope from this same company, which I believe Dr. Lima has really helped a lot.
In terms of the medical outreach and providing some health infrastructure to the hospital. The significance of this cannot be overemphasized. People cite the quantum of reward is
commendable. We also appreciate your recommendations.
very useful.
Thank you so much.
Very happy.
We are grateful and we're happy to see you know, on behalf of the beneficiary of this corporate social responsibility you are bringing to be there after your organization will achieve this
Partnership in the years to come.
I was that I have spoken to appreciate the team that has received us and pray that we will continue to get better for the benefit of the clients that we serve. We sincerely appreciate all the being stakeholders, those that are receiving them, using the gesture of services.
To deliver this service to humanity. And as you rightly said, sir, it's one organization that I've seen, they just do good work, without effort, without stress, and they do it quietly without making too much fuss.
Who is in the system whenever they come to do anything. And I think if I have learned so much about them, is that effective leadership style that they are actually executing everywhere they are.
I used to think I was born here, but I just found out I wasn't. So, I was born in Kenya State. But I'm from here, and it is indeed, what's the word you used earlier?
Which one? Gratifying.
Gratifying. You know, that
we discussed that when we were coming
we
to
are able to intervene here. I think the gratitude is more for us, you know, that God has made it such a way that we find ourselves in an area, you know, where there's support for this sort of thing. And we have somebody that you all know who has carried this thing, as you know, virtually nearly everybody in ministry has been part of this exercise.
Oyena kan biti lo asiriti kala batakata tamu lo asiriti ikan bi pin ipa pin unjawo oyena kan na waju fun mo gangan ewo na wa wo ganga na unju wa gangan.
Today being the 7th of June, even though we have started 2 days back, we are carrying out a medical outreach as usual. This is something we'll do every year, but this time around is a bit different from the other outreaches we usually do here. This time around, in collaboration with Race Foundation, we are doing cervical cancer screening in the other departments. If you go down there in the maternity ward, you will see them working. And this is the ophthalmic physiology therapy block. This is where we are doing the medical outreach, and we have made it a normal activity to visit this place every year, because our statistics has shown there is a high number of river blindness, cataracts in Bidda. We are also doing an impact assessment to find out the reason why the numbers are on a high. And by the grace of Almighty, we are trying all we can do to make sure we have reduced a significant number of these cases in Bidda, and we'll continue doing. Okay, based on our records from the people we have screened so far, we have, for the eye clinic, we have about 300 plus who has been screened. Some of them will be given glasses, some of them will be given eye drops, some are for surgeries. Now, until we conclude this, before we know the total number of people out for surgeries and for the glasses, before we round up on Sunday, we'll know the total number and we'll be able to share with others. And for the cervical cancer screening also, we have quite a number of patients ranging between 200 to 250, which is also ongoing. We have about, so far from yesterday to this afternoon, we have about 5 special cases for referral for breast cancers. And by the end of Sunday also, we will know the total number of cases of referral we'll have, and then cases of therapies that we are going to have also. So before we finish on Sunday, we'll be able to share these numbers.
I have a cataract eye problem, and for long it has been observed that it is now matured for operation. And I was opportune to hear the announcement that there's going to be free treatment of eye problems. So I managed to go there, and today we are asked to come for this operational exercise. Definitely I want to commend the organizations that have taken it upon themselves to assist the less privileged in the society. This is the kind of gesture we are expecting in Nigeria.
Mido kaka kumishiri mido kaka emboni nina egwarona kama kaka bokto so kunje boso kwa alafia so kwa makiwo to cha makiwo kandoro
ye ko ko ye de le che ja bono bia ku ne ya to ye ko kunya ni albe ba ni ko mo je ko ku to to ani ko to ye ga yo ku bia an kuri ga ta fe ya do yo yi mo wale ya di che go no pe de ga ma ga ku ge mo yo su su sha ngole ka ba do ne za do ge ji fo ga ba tu ba na ni de ne ya ri gan gaskiya ba ni na ja ke da no to a ke gan cewa ga wo de wala duro lo su baba to ya no ka shi ja cha a ci guyo na ga gu ja cha nda do ga boy da ji wo ko no chi ne ya nga bien ne ba ne ye ga ya che ji ate ko ya ga ga ji ga ne twa le ando no ne de ye yi no ar ka ye mu je ne la to na wana to ama wa ke ga cha sa go mo chi de bi rashin le ba ya yi da na ga ga ku ba ne abu wan ji cha ye ni wona ga ke ba gina shi na ga ala go kira ko ga le mo jobo ke to chi be mo gaskiya mu ci da unji mu da ci da titin ya to ci ga ke biya ni mu ji ya zai ne da ke fo yi na ni ga ci go wanda ya tuwo da ya ci biya de ke za ne je le ko ko ya na ci biya ya yi ne to kan ga to a to ga yi aljanna yi je su ko ki a tore ya we ni me ba so ko a to agula to e ba to ju lu ka shi shi ka ama to e ba to ji to ya we ze de wa se be ki o so banduro tombo to yenduro na ga jina bushu ko ilan kuri ilan ka di primi an kuri ga da wa di kene za ji dunga jule kene ko ina ya amene la fitina be patano ankuri na ye juwa ichaji ya imiji for gaba be na to kago ipwana ga ji yusu so bo so ko ya ji ce wa ga ija fa me dan na cha ganna na to no ga kike abu ba na ankuri wa ya da jo ko ja ankuri be sa daga ba no sa tin gutwa ya e tuno we lego wa ro che mani da no ke ga fun mo ga fun we ye ja da to a dan mo do ma yi jo de ga je usu be ani daga ina da ke kan shi na kwa ga to ala ya ko shi na kwa shi kwa ni ne mo to ga mana ja ji ce ye ga nan go to ja ku ne daga ba tro jo biya bo na ko ya ji ga e mo na ba ni no ye ga pipe abu ba na a ga bo jo da la chi bi o de ya wa kuba ka ga jo de da man ku ya ku na wa heji e ba ci pa no ga pipe abu ba na wona da o be kura no le no a ci go ga no kura pa ni mo se sa tu tu no ku ya ku ya wa heji etachi wona dayo otuge no bo te che mo ka bo no so se nda mo ko to ko dian ene ye graro e kwa cho ankuri ga ya la tu dojo e pa na igan o ga da tu ba no ago wa no kura tu a be sa tu ku twa ina ku ya ku da wa eji sala ko iza na die fo enta de wangi na chigo wa di sala di fe ku shishi wa fe le ga kamun den na ki chi lo ruku mu chi lo sujeda ka so ko bo sala wa ya amo ga ankuri ji kunga go ti bi ankuri de shuku o fe je o shi ba no ga shi ona uyi ankuri a ona kan ko ro ga je o ga gije sa la tu mo ba na ga de di na wangi ga bo ajo fo gan ni kan o ri o de o se lo pa na a ti ko wa de gi gba na ngole ankuri ga di wa ji o cha ji o chi ja yo yendo chi de bo ge wa yendo chi o ga yendo chi che ya wo ga o de zo shuku aga oga wa go etu de da giki ala o amo we wa na fun gbara iwu wa o jo la etu obo bi uzuru ni de da giki ko ji bi do de bo so ko ila ankuri ji bi ala mo ni pa ta be ni o dan duro gaskiya ya e chiliani ka ko ce ci ne mai ne wa de ogaji abwa na abia fitiwa ni ama to so ye ji ani chuyi no me ji bayani aga wallahi inda yi zane shi abu fatan na gaskiya kai to to ma je gaskiya alhamdulillah ye daji a cocin nan wannan tware ya yi bayani ga nan amma do ga je nan lobe na an kurga yo gaskiya ye be ne wallahi na ka ya nke ya safi mu sa da to yi mu ba ye bo kuri da ne ce ga cha ji da no ko da ne cocin la ne da so ko ye tun da ja je wanki ina ke ga cin ga ke da e ko ye to ga cin ne yi ide ga ke ya bu ba ne ya ne ya san ba ni ya tun da ya sai da a ni ke ke o ba so la ku ne mu ji a ke ji ai so da zani ga mu ji bai bu ce ga ga ni a ci ga to ce ya wanda na ga ko ni ga so kan to ro ide ba to ce a duwa ke so ke kan do mai ga ke ba ne ke ba ya le ga ke ga mi do shi ga bi ya le ama ya fa yin ko be na yi ye ma mi ji ya ye ma da ji to ci don to ci ga yi uba ye ma da bi to ci ma ci ko ce ya yi kuma yi uba ma ke al'amari na gwa ni gaskiya mi fa ba ga ke ne to fa ga ma da gaskiya ya fa yi me fa ba to bi akuri ne ci na ye ga wa ma so ku ge ba bi aleri ya ci iga na ki ba ni ci ga ti pa mu ge da ni ya ji wa ga ila me tu gani wa jindo ci wo na lakacha in to ga je adde no ngo de le no do la mu da no e ino cha di faru an ga ba to ce yin choja a ci daga wa fe jira in wo za bo gi tsaka gi ba le na ila e da no ale bo de le ba le ada no wa ju shi ku shi bo abe pe bo ba ce an do ci la shi bo na ga na gun wo ga da gido ba ni ke wa ga gida askiya ga suwe e ja di na la ba le ko gina la de bu ko wayan igidi mutu e ba chube eye won wa e ti be shikan ko shubwa a cha ga ga un lotu rumba ime kuza un lotu be ti agba na ya fo mo shi lotu dudu fi la no ngo me ko e kuza u tutu to enu da ku she pata ono to enu da ku ba no bi sheje to pata nkuno ngo gaza nchi ga du ga fi ye ja yo cha do la u rubio a cha da ga e go tun a chu pe o mo je iri na baya so kwa ye mo kan ye tipi ni e bi ni puto wale nga ga de ba e fu na no tu da no da ga de yo da u sai ngala ichaji ga ba na ina za la ba e bo e to ti ba na ba ti lo tu na lu yu ba lu da be do wa le lu ba pe lo e so ko ti la fi o ga ti pe bu na ya ji da mo i kemna i lo tu da no i galani fitiye ye gwa kun ga bo i lo tu to ya ji ce ya shawara san duro to da na Allah cike ne na e ga la gwa lo ye fiti ba bo ye gwa ba ko pe ye mo e ye ta ko ba bo na ga ja bio ke na ngo ke ke lo che bie ba ko ba bie ke bie bie no ba ni ga ye ji be no bia to ye wa bio a cha chi chi bia da mo amaga chi chi be da bo ga ga ngo ye ta ye mo ga mi na ye mi na de ali kana boto choga chumbani oga chugu sati guni lu kun ko ga won e danga dono lokacin na daga bando sati guni bo su ko waza cha cha da ya wa ma biyo ye bi a cikin dubu mele ga na yayi e bunne na ye go no ga da ci to ezan alhamdulillah daga chabo ide gaskiya ye dajin a trocin nan wa ila da bi lokacin ba na ya tun na gumi na ezan da yon chage umma zoge ebo na chicha nga jin ezo ajun don ama enduro wan ajun tin shiri na oga jin shishi na bi eji na izage lo na gan ajun gbin gan eko won eji na mo go ape ba na wa peke na wa pashiru pa na daga na itro pe gan eko na ga yi dan ye me lo na so chi goka ya shiri jin gurgudo yan kende na ya la tamako be ya zangi na ma je tamako ti kama imi obo yan za na ji de ye nana ti ye china babanjo na dambo yin na de gba ni na ya tun gumi za shi tun cha tu na ji lotu ya nye ye china babangi na ade na ke la ba ye kpere bo a che ga terijon na ya un ti jin a tu ti za gwe ge obe ike jin glass ya glass pako gbuba de din arata nga ijin ya nga imagan pata o mazo chigbe otu wa e lo gan chigbe gukin ila za ja ando chilo mi be chigbe gutin ando chigbe guni ando chigbe gute kendo de na yan uzuri zandoro ina alo mi lo be chigbe gaskiya zane ji mai lotu ya be na daga chabar be zo be na alhamdulillah adde na yinan na yaye ji macine amma bale zane lele ana wallahi un bebe be tukun wa tukun ce yayi nan nan dazun da lomi alhamdulillah un cha fi ngba yayi be gaskiya kuma no wa jinge be to na ja cin da za na ja cin da ba to e jo agi ke dabo na je ya ja na mama e na ji na ai za gwe gibe ni gba ni na wa e tun cha e lo abo na bo e bo ka tun na abo na bo na so gba ni na National Eye Center asibitin cikonye ye na Kaduna ga National Eye Center na nga za ne ke ga na wuya Allah e wo na ja wo fi ze ni kan e ze ni to kan na mi ajo wa ji zu mo million gan fi ja ko na tuachi na ma ga na wuya Allah a to waya fi ajo go pata ma ya aga tun ci lo ma ibe kana lo pa na aga san la jin ga shaire un ci ya aga ku da igboro da tun lo ya dede na ibi ci na gaskiya alhamdulillah o maka cin lebe zando na ke biya abun na pata aka yayin gicigi chota cha yayin gicigi cho aka yayin gicigi aya no bamboji fi mo le tun na undi tun teten ya lo nga ci ga me lo ya bio atato zan ya bi na o de ga pe za ye o gbin o gangba wo biya abun na o ya jegi amo ya no fi wa gogan zando che vo guba guta guni mo le lokaci to ne ke da ban lokacin ma da zan gi ce ke jejegi wo make atun la e wona e lo tun na gba ni na oye wo buru ari adu aniji amma na yu la yanzu shi tutu to alhamdulillah gaskiya daga cabo mi afa yan gbona ida biya ni ga zan do mo sunwa an gi mai ke la roji zatin gancin ga fayin indi ke fayin wajo wuru na alhamdulillah